What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, Think Magazine, putting to geek, and today we're taking a look at this. This is the KYY K53. It's a 14-inch portable monitor for your gameplay, for your extended desktop, for your computer, your laptop, your desktop, or whatever. And we're going to unbox it and take a look at it next. And the best part about this is it's got VESA mount on the back, so you can mount it onto arms or onto walls or anything like that. We're going to take a look at this KYY monitor, but first of all, I got to tell you that KYY, although they did send me a unit to review, they did not sponsor this video. So, and of course, all opinions are of Geekazine. We have a page over at geekazine.com/review. All right, let's take a look at what this has to offer here. This is the KYY portable monitor. It's got a VESA mount in back. I'll show you how that works. 1080p 60 hertz monitor, USB-C or HDMI connection. VESA mount in back, like I said, so you can attach it to a wall or attach it to a stand. It's got a smart cover. You can connect your Mac, your PC, your phone, your Xbox, your Switch, anything like that. And it is thin and lightweight. And I got to tell you, when I used to do IT all around the state, it would have been nice to have these portable monitors. And the best part is with a USB-C cable and the right laptop, you just need one cable to get your second screen going. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this puppy and see what we got. All right, here we go. So this is the KYY monitor. Let's go ahead and open it up here with the utility knife. We'll pull that open. Nice ASMR right there. There you go. All right, here we go. We're going to pull off the foam here. What we're going to pull out first, this is the power plug, simple USB-C power plug to the wall. Of course, it'll be different for each country. So we got a cable there. That's the USB-C to USB-A cable. We got some instructions. Now, this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And next up, we have the HDMI to HDMI micro cable, which you'll need for the monitor. And that's basically everything that comes with it. Here's the monitor right here. It's the monitor and the case. Let's pull that out. And it's a nice little felt case, but it also acts as a stand. There's some instructions on how to use the stand. We'll go ahead and flip this around. And all you have to basically do, there's a magnetic side just right on top. So when you bring it down, it just clips right into place. And then, oh, there's a little bit of film there. Let's go ahead and take that off. There we go. Now, all you have to do is set it up and then just go right to the crease. You can use both creases, but the cool thing about one of the creases is it can actually fold it over, so there's less chance of the monitor falling forward down. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. First of all, we've got two USB-Cs and the HDMI micro area. Nothing on the top here. On the other side, we have the power button and then, of course, the control button. And then there's a headphone jack underneath there. There on the back is the VESA mount, so you can attach it to the wall. There are no screws in the box, so keep that in mind because these screw mounts are a little bit short. You might have to go to the hardware store to get some screws to match the back of the monitor. All right, let's go ahead and put this on a VESA mount. This is a very small, short VESA mount that I have here, and I didn't have it on a wall, so we'll just basically use these thumb screws. Like I said, they didn't totally fit. I'll probably have to go get some washers or something like that so they fit up snugly. But once I did get those screws on, I was able to use this just like any other monitor that you'd mount to a TV. You can definitely get those monitor arms for your desk and use it that way. And of course, you can use it in a portrait or a landscape mode. Now, what's really cool about this portable monitor, like I said, you can use it with the case, and I use a lot of these with the case like this, or you can take it off and you can use that VESA mount in the back. You can use it in landscape or portrait mode. I ran through a whole bunch of tests. I didn't see any problems. Ran some of the color tests through it, and no problems there. This is 1080p, so you won't, if you're looking for something 4K, this is not going to fulfill that. But for standard gaming, whether you're using a Switch or using your laptop, you need a second screen, this is perfect for that. And the best part about all of this is it folds up nice and easy, and it fits in your bag. I mean, it's super thin. If you have a regular laptop bag, I can put this in with the laptop, and it's not going to be much more weight for my bag, for my shoulder. And then, of course, the controls to adjust the brightness, that's all through that little dial joystick, not the button. You hold down the button, you're going to turn off the monitor. The only downfalls to this are that the USB-Cs and the micro HDMI are on one side. And then, of course, the other side is the power button and the headphone jack. It would have been nice to have seen a USB-C on the other side, because I can't set the monitor directly to the left of my laptop unless I get a 90-degree angle USB-C cable. Other than that, it works just like the other portable monitors. This is 14 inches as opposed to some of these other ones that are 15 inches. So if you have a 14-inch computer, then this will match this size. And of course, 1920 by 1080. Of course, if you're using a Switch or anything like that, you'll be able to game from there. I can even use my iPad for a second screen. And another thing I really like to do with these is if I'm in a meeting at a table, I can set up the laptop so I'm looking at it and I can mirror the monitor so they can see what's going on. And we can have a conversation, a collaboration at a coffee shop or anything else. Once again, this is the KYY 14-inch monitor, portable monitor, the K53 model. Of course, if you're looking for other versions of the KYY has been making these portable monitors for years. In fact, you might see one of my older videos, which was a 15-inch monitor. And that's pretty much it for this first look and review of the KYY 14-inch monitor with the VESA mount in the back. What do you think? Is this something that you're going to get? Let me know over in the comments, of course, over at youtube.com and geekazine.com. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, and bell notification so all YouTubers get their wings. Until next time, you guys geek out, check out the portable monitors, and take care.